Hi, in this video we are going to see how to make waste at home using this waste water cans. Okay, now first we have to cut this out, okay, and then make a hole in this. Let us see. Make this one little bit bigger. Use a lid of your old paint bucket, fill it with sand and place this. So that what will happen is even if there is some water situation in it, it will come out this hole and be absorbed in the sand. Now start filling your waste and a layer of soil so that the smell doesn't come out, or you can just keep it airtight locked so that the smell doesn't come out. So to make the composite pit fulfill, we'll use a half bucket of water. If you don't have fresh cow dung, we can use this dry cow dung cakes. Just break this and soak this in the water. Let it. Now start again the same procedure on this. So this took around 1 month to get it filled. By 3 months, if you have 3 to 4 cans like this, I think it will be ready because it will take 3 months for decomposing. Now the final one goes into this mud or steel plate so that you will not get any stink outside. Nice decayed soil. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching my video.